Check it out, guys. I was gifted this bike from some tweaker lady. I'm gonna rebuild it. Already ordered a new wheel because the hub is all cracked and there's no sprocket for the chain or nothing. And then I gotta mod this. I'm gonna clean this up, new fabric, make this mount shorter. I'm gonna make it lower so I can sit lower. Cool little project. There's the old wheel. It's cracked and shit. Doesn't even have a hub or nothing. It's the new wheel. Fresh chrome, everything there. Just put the sprocket on. Took the old tire off of the old wheel. And I'm gonna put it on this real quick. The new tube. Got new tubes and everything. Got this wheel all pumped up. I'm gonna do the front wheel, new freaking tube, just in case, Heck yeah, she's finally all together. It's just the seat's not holding properly because this doesn't mount with anything. I'm gonna cut these off and flatten it up here so it'll mount here. And I want it to be a lower seat, so I'm gonna cut it way higher so that the seat's right above the tire. So you need to clean up. Got spider webs all up in this shit. This shit's sick, dude. I think this is mounted wrong, but we'll figure this out. Little blue, baby blue. So, just super ghetto mount. I'm gonna fix it up later down the line once I learn more about these things, but seat's mounted, it's a bit lower. Now I can finally test drive this shit, test ride it. I'm gonna go take it out, see how it rides. I was literally riding it and I went to go take my phone out. My fucking back wheel just explodes. What the fuck? Guess I need full new tires. These shits are fucked.
I ain't friendly, fuck your handshakes. I got a plug who curse you out cause he don't sell apes. I'm thinking fast, they moving slow, this ain't a snail race. That nigga mad, his money low, he made a stale face. That nigga mad, I can't relate, I'm getting to the bag. I came through the coupe, I pull up truck cause she got extra ass. Glock strong as fuck for muscle niggas with the extra abs. I don't want your chick, she a catfish on Instagram.